society and colonialism. But our subtopic is deforestation. So today we will be discussing about the deforestation. But before going to deforestation, we will study about this first of all. Okay, everyone look at your book. Take a quick look around your school and home and identify all the things that come from forest. So everyone look around your school. Look at your school surrounding. Everyone look outside. What do you see? Huh? Okay. Okay. The paper in the book you are reading. The paper in the book that you are reading. Desks and tables, doors and windows. See, the paper that you read, the desks you keep your book and study, and then what? And then the windows, that all came from the forest or else from the tree. The dye that color your clothes, spices in your food, the cell phone wrappers of your toffee, tandoor leaves in British gum, honey, coffee, tea and rubber. Do not miss out the oil in chocolate which come from salsate. The tannin used to convert skin and hides into leather, or the herbs and root used for medical purpose. So, for medical purpose also, we need the help of our forest. Is it? Am I right?
Yes.
So, the paper which you read came from where?
Bamboo.
Came from what?
Bamboo.
Came from bamboo. And medicine from where do we get? We get from the plants or as the herbs. Okay. So now coming back to deforestation. Can you tell me what is the meaning of deforestation?
Cutting down of the trees.
Cutting down of the trees is called deforestation, or as felling of the trees is called deforestation. And there is another meaning of deforestation. According to your book, the meaning of deforestation is the disappearance of forest is referred to as deforestation. What is the meaning of disappearance? Now tell me, what is the meaning of the disappearance?
Disappearance.
Tell me, what is the meaning of the disappearance? Losing, yes. Losing of the forest is called deforestation according to your book. But in the shortcut you can say that cutting of the trees or as felling down of the trees is called deforestation. Good. In 600, approximately 1/6 of India's landmass was under cultivation. Now that figure has gone up to about half. As population increased over the centuries and the demand for food went up, peasants extended the boundaries of cultivation, clearing forests and breaking new land. In the colonial period, cultivation expanded rapidly for a variety of reasons. So what happened is that whenever the population grows, what you need is, we need land for our settlement. Is it? Without any place, where will you live? Where will you stay? If there is no place, where will you live? There's no place to stay, is it? So, whenever the population grows up, the settlement, the place for settlement also grows up. So what you have to do is, what we people do is, we clear up the forest in order to extend the boundary of